these were low-level talks, Enda. They've broken down. That has got to make increasingly the base case that we see further escalation. And further escalation could be $200 billion worth of additional tariffs. Is that how people are now starting to see this story developing?
Good morning, Guy. I think that's exactly right. There's no real sense of a circuit breaker in these talks at all. Like you say, there wasn't much expected from the Washington talks in the first place. But by all accounts, the mood music is it's as you were. We're now hurtling towards the next batch of tariffs. That's expected to be anything up to 25% on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods. So if anything, the trade war is deepening. We're heading into the political season in the US. And on the Chinese side, of course, they're digging in for something of a long haul by setting up stimulus to keep the economy on track. So I think that the message from the Washington talks is very much as you were. The China-US trade war is still very much alive.
And did we adjust ourselves from tit for tat, or are we still on the tit for tat path?
We're still tit for tat in terms of China's ability to keep on with tit for tat, Tom. If, for argument's sake, the US goes with the $200 billion worth of goods next, China can't match that dollar for dollar, but they have threatened to respond with tariffs on at least $60 billion worth of US goods. And, of course, there's always a risk of non-tariff barriers as well as China making it more difficult for US businesses to operate in China itself and cancelling orders and the like. So I think we're still very much in a tit for tat stage in this. There's no real sense that all of this is being de-escalated at all, Tom.